Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download data from GitHub using the command line. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your terminal. Ensure you have Git installed on your system. You can check this by typing Git version and pressing enter. If Git is not installed, download and install it from the official Git website. Navigate to the directory where you want to download the data. Use the cd command followed by the path to your desired directory. Once you're in the correct directory, go to GitHub and find the repository you want to download. On the repository's main page, locate the green code button. Click on the code button to reveal a URL. Choose either the HTTPS or SSH option. Copy the URL to your clipboard. Return to your terminal. Type git clone followed by a space. Now, paste the URL you copied. Press enter to execute the command. Wait for the download process to complete. You will see a new folder with the repository name in your chosen directory. Navigate into the folder using the command cd followed by the repository name. You have now successfully downloaded the data from GitHub using the command line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.